It's hard, guys. It's hard walking past the Nike store and not going in. Here's Sephora, Soy Chubby. Here is Under Armour Bangkok, guys. So Under Armour Bangkok. Guys, here's Puma in Bangkok. So that's Saucony. So here's Foot Locker Bangkok. Puma Bangkok, right? So they have Siam Paragon, Siam Center, Siam Discovery. We're here. Other content will be there. The gym, if you're looking for Virgin Gym, it's up here. Check up it, guys. Pretty cool seats. That's a drop off here. Alright guys, so this is the, actually we're going to go through the Siam Center and then Siam Paragon. So I'll give you a quick tour of Siam Center, guys. This is kind of a little mall besides Siam Paragon. They've got lots of good stores. So let's check it out. So this video, guys, will be helpful for people who are like thinking about, who are either thinking about living in Bangkok, Thailand. So it'll be very interesting. Also cost of living and shopping, etc. So guys, they have the Nike store here. So I actually need a pair of, it's hard, guys, it's hard walking past the Nike store and not going in. So that's the Nike store, guys, in MBK. But this is a really cool little mall in Bangkok, guys. So check it out when you're here. Here's Sephora. Yeah guys, so like I was saying, this video will be helpful for like if you're thinking about living here. I cover cost of living, shopping, like if you're interested, like I'm kind of interested in cool brands as well, guys. There's lots of like cooperations here, you see, like, and there's the official Adidas, they have the official Puma store. So yeah, I'm trying to diversify my content, guys, and show you some of the cool places for travel, for shopping, just different things. So now I have a chance to get some good content from Bangkok. So I'm trying to do that, guys. Here's Puma in Bangkok. They have a sale. And yeah guys, it looks, I'm actually in content, so that's Bangkok, Puma Bangkok, guys. It looks pretty cool. They also have Saucony, guys. And they have, some of these stores have limited edition stuff. And so that's Saucony. So guys, yeah, like I said, my channel is kind of getting in touch with, it's useful for travelers, it's useful for even people living in places to understand like what's around them, like commercial stuff. So a bit of everything, guys, and it's all kind of unfiltered, raw. So no sugar, nothing sugar coated, guys. None of the processed rubbish that's out there. Here is Under Armour Bangkok, guys. So Under Armour Bangkok. And that looks cool, guys. They've all of like the sports brands. I'm really into sports. It's hard for me not to go in. And that's JD Sports there, guys. So JD Sports looks really good. I think I'm going to go up. There's another mall, Siam Discovery, guys, but I'm going to go up. So another mall there, guys. They have a Virgin Gym up the top. So right up there, they have a wax museum, Madame Tussauds, and they have the Virgin Gym. I used to go to the Virgin Gym and you get the views. So you can actually, without joining, you can use the ClassPass app and you can test it out. So here's Foot Locker Bangkok, guys. It's a big, yeah, they have a big store here. So if you don't know what Foot Locker is, sorry, I can't help you. So, but that's it there, Foot Locker. And Siam Discovery over there is really cool. So this Greyhound brand is really popular coffee cafe in Thailand. It's yeah, I really recommend it. So guys, that's the Greyhound Cafe there. It's really they do pretty decent coffee, and this is Gundam based, guys. This is kind of like for like toys and stuff. It's not my thing, guys, but I think if you're into that, they have a big store there, and you get a lot of cool stuff here in Bangkok, guys. Like this is one of the places where if you want kind of cool, edgy, urban culture kind of fashion, this is like a really cool place. It's nearly closed now, guys, and so that's why there's no. I've kind of done it by design. Soy chubby. So I really like fashion here, guys. They've got stuff like from Berlin Lama. So this is absolute Siam, guys. So all kind of Thai fashion, and I think you will see they've definitely got a lot of cool stuff, guys. The Thailand never fails to impress me, guys. It's always kind of, they're always innovating. So anyway, here we are in the Siam, it's not Siam Discovery, the Siam Center, guys. We're going to go to, actually I'm not sure, I might do it another day. Siam Paragon is huge, actually. Siam Paragon has got many levels, as you can see here. And it's different. They actually have supercars at the top. They've got like Ferraris, Lamborghinis, Aston Martins. So it's a different, they've got luxury end. Here's a bit more urban style. Pretty interesting stuff. So this is, yeah, MBK. No, not the MBK Center, it's the Siam Center. I'll show you a little map here. So there's Siam Center. So they have Siam Paragon, Siam Center, Siam Discovery. We're here. Other content will be there. The gym, if you're looking for Virgin Gym, it's up here. You can pause and look at that, guys. They have lots of stuff here. And it's connected with the BTS, so you can easily get the SkyTrain. And I don't think you've ever seen one of those before, guys. That's a Starbucks. So just a bit of culture there. A bit of something you haven't seen before. But I need to go down. I don't know where. I want to cut across into Siam Paragon. But guys, this after you is super popular. I've seen this in Chinatown too. Frank Garçon, but after you is getting really popular, guys. I've seen this a lot of these. So guys, that was a little tour of the Siam Center. Hope you enjoyed it, guys.